Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to hide your public moments from contacts in Alipay. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use your Alipay. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Alipay app. So I'm going to click on here. Just like so. Having opened up your Alipay app, next thing you want to do is to simply click on this icon, account. Click on account, it take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on setting icon from the top. Take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on privacy. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on common privacy settings. So at this point here, you have to look for hide my moments. So simply click on here. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you can do here is to simply click on this plus sign right here to add a contact. So you can add. So once you select a contact, next thing you can do is to simply click on OK right here. So you have a contact right here. You can have as many as possible contacts into this particular list. Once you are done, simply click on complete at the top. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to hide your public moment from contacts in Alipay. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.